first, we're going to go ahead and use this flatbread, okay? And again, you can see, you can pick this up. This one was purchased actually at Aldi's, and you can see it's only 90 calories. It's got a good amount of fiber, and it works really well. And it comes up to a really crispy crust, and it works just perfectly. Now you can add whatever toppings you want. I have some bacon crumbles, I have some pepperonis, I put some onions on there, and I put mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And of course you have your tomato sauce and the Italian seasoning. The garlic salt is optional. This is something I prefer because I'm a saltaholic. But also the bacon crumbles is something that I picked up at Costco. So if you go over there, you can buy this big bag over at Costco. Okay, and I'll start putting one together for you. Okay, first we're going to go ahead and just start putting the tomato sauce down. You can put as much or as little as you like. I prefer a little bit more. I like to have it really saucy. Not saying that I'm a saucy guy, but that's just the way I like it. If you guys have any comments or if you've tried this pizza recipe, please go ahead and leave it in the comments below and let me know what you think. We're going to go ahead. Now this is where you don't have to do this. This is just what I do. I put a little bit of garlic salt just for a little extra flavor. Then I go ahead and I like to pretty much triple layer the seasonings, okay? Then we're going to go ahead and put the cheese. This is just a regular, everyday, run-of-the-mill mozzarella cheese. The best thing about this is you can just put it in the air fryer on about 360 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how crispy or well done you like your pizza. Okay, for this purposes, this one will be about 8 minutes, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of cheddar just to mix it up a little bit, get a little extra flavor. Okay, and again, the toppings are obviously your choice. You can put whatever you want. You can put ground beef on there, you can put Italian sausages, you can put vegetables. You won't catch me putting any vegetables on there because I really don't like vegetables. So vegetables are bad. My doctor keeps telling me to eat vegetables. I keep saying, sure, I'll eat vegetables, and never do. So we know how that story goes. I wish I could like them, but I just never was fed them when I was young, so I just really don't have a taste for them. I'm going to put a few bacon bits, okay? And we're going to go ahead and put a few pepperonis. You don't want to put too many pepperonis because this stuff's really not very good for you. But it does add a lot of good flavor. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and top it off with a little bit more Italian seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and throw it in the oven again for 360, about 8 to 10 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like in just 1 minute. Okay guys, here you go. This is the pizza on the flatbread that was put in the air fryer at 360 for 8 minutes. It looks pretty yummy to me. I just you can tell it's crispy. I just picked a piece right off. And again, this is what the regular version looks like just before you put it into the air fryer. It's very easy to make, guys. This is maybe 2-3 minutes to put together, and then you put it in the air fryer for 8 minutes, and it's just a really good snack. You can make it a meal, whatever you want. It weighs about a little less than a pound. I want to say it weighs about 10 ounces, depending on what kind of toppings you put on it. All right, I hope everybody enjoyed it today, and please come back and check out any of the other new recipes, and also leave a comment if you liked it. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.